How to find the perfect blush for your complexion. Like choosing the right shade of foundation, choosing the right blush for your skin tone can be a tricky task. If you select the right color and tone, you will look fresh, dewy, and revived. If you don't, the results can be clownish. No matter how dark, light, dry, or oily your skin, we have compiled a list of steps to make sure that your blush will look like your own rosy glow. What's your shade? The first step towards finding the ideal blush is figuring out how dark or light your skin is. And that's pretty easy, right? If you have lighter skin, you will want to opt for lighter blushes. Vice versa for darker. Lighter shades work best with cotton candy pinks, light peach, and soft coral. For medium shades, choose medium pinks, rich peach, and mauves. For dark shades, fuchsia, browns, and tangerines will flatter immensely. Check out your hair. Skin shade is an important factor to consider when choosing your blush. The shade of your hair will also complement different shades of blush. Redheads look stunning in pink and peach, but corals can often be too warm. On those with fair skin and darker hair, more exuberant colors of pink will brighten the complexion. A medium peachy pink blush with a sheen will flatter most hair colors and skin shades. Pick the blush for your skin tone. Now that you have figured out what shade of your skin and hair are, it's time to take once what tone is your skin. There are a few ways to figure out this. You can take a look at your veins. If your veins are green, your tone is warm. And if they are blue, your tone is cool. Do you look better in silver jewelry? If so, you are cool toned, and if you look better in gold, then your tone is warm. Does your skin tan or freckle and burn? If your skin tans, you most likely have warm undertones, and if it burns, you are cool as ice. If you find yourself feeling like your answer falls somewhere in the middle, you may be neutral. Do you have a cool, dark skin tone? If your skin is cool and dark, you will want to choose tangerine to a berry color to add some pop into your cheeks. The perfect blush on any skin tone is a blush that looks like a totally natural flush of the cheeks. Do you have a cool, fair skin tone? If your skin is quite fair but falls on the cooler side, then you will want a blush that warms your skin up a little. A rose gold blush or warm coral is the best way to go. Do you have a warm, dark skin tone? Your skin may trend anywhere from an olive to a dark brown, and you can play with tones to find the shade that accentuates your natural glow. What you do want to avoid is plum or mauve shades that may make a warmer toned skin look ashy or dusty. Do you have a warm, fair skin tone? The first combination is a fair skin shade with a warm undertone. This looks best with a cooler light pink or peach. If your skin tone is a little closer to medium in shade, you can opt for a most bronze colored blush, but you won't need much to add to the warmth you already have. What's the occasion? To look fresh, glowing and natural, you may want to opt for a cream blush. It's the perfect no makeup blush for when you want to keep your face looking clean and youthful. For a blush that is work friendly and lasts for hours, a light powder is the way to go. You can choose your shade to complement the lightening and use a setting powder or spray for longevity.